Hello everyone, mimi ndinonzi Kundai Chawapiwa, ndinopinda AFM Report Prayer Center and ndane 3 years ndichipinda this church. Ndakatanga kuuya muna 2022 and I just want to share my experience so far and just to encourage and invite other people out there to come and join us. What I like most about our church is the fact that our pastor is very involved in every person's life. He wants to really know us as individuals. Vanofarira kuita one-on-one sessions where he just asks you about your life, where you are, what is going on, to give you advice and help you through every single step that you're taking in this journey of your life. And as a youth, I feel like that is very much important because he has given me advice and taken me from where I was before to where I am now. Bandakatanga kuya church, I hadn't even started going to university, but right now I've just completed my third year, and I love that about our pastor because he has the youth at heart. I'd like to share my experience that I had last year when I was finishing my second year. I found myself and my family in a position where they couldn't pay for my education for 2024, which was my final year, and that was a very difficult time for me because I wanted to finish this degree in record time. And it was also around the time where we have our annual ladies and girls camp. Ndakaenda kucamp nevamwe ndichitsanya, and I prayed for a breakthrough. Zvisinei, after the camp, I came in contact with people who were looking for students to pay for tuition for them. So standard procedure, kana uri munhu ari in contact with mufundisi constantly, you have to update him every step of the way. I told him about the development and he encouraged me, and in his words, zvinoita ndichataura inzwi, and that gave me the confidence that I needed to start the application process, knowing kuti I'm backed by my pastor and people around me. I started the application process and I moved to the interview stage where I contacted Pastor before I even went to the interview. Kuti Shaita, this is the stage that I'm at, and he gave me the courage and confidence that I needed because and he told me I should just show up and do my best, which I did. And a couple of days later, I was informed kuti ndawana bursary, which paid for my full school fees for 2024. It came with a laptop and I receive a monthly stipend, and all of my expenses were paid for. I had no stress regarding my tuition for my final year, and I'm just grateful for this kind of support and from church. And with that, I would like to invite you to our revival that is powerful and impactful. Ichange Iriko from the 26th of November to the 1st of December at 26 Rubridge Avenue. Can't wait to see you there. Come and fellowship with us and come and experience the grace of God for yourself.